I'm excited about the obsessive compulsive disorder workshop coming up next Tuesday, June 17th at 4 o'clock. We'll meet for about 75 minutes. And if you want to discover what really works to decrease some of those obsessive tendencies, you want to be there. Or if you're a therapist or coach on how you can help someone, we're going to give you some insights. We're going to the latest in neuroscience, some of the strategies and skills. We're going to be able to understand what is driving that and how you can correct that so that that decreases the symptoms. So again, only $15, and if you need a CE for 1.25 hours, it's just an additional $10. Love to see you, and just visit us at makeininstitute.com, and you'll see where the workshops are listed and how to register that. Take care.